Hello everyone. Today I'll be walking you through the operations of the Bluetooth remote control. Let's start by taking a look at its appearance. The central button is for switching scenes. Press this button and then use the left and right arrow keys to quickly navigate through different scenes. Once your desired scene is selected, press the OK button to confirm and apply it. The top left and top right buttons control the sleep and wake functions of the device. Press the top left button to put the screen to sleep and the top right button to wake it up. The far left button is the menu button. Holding this button will quickly load the OSD menu on the screen. In the OSD menu, you can manage 6 main functions: brightness, color, volume, settings, media, and scenes. Let's go through each one. In the brightness settings, you can adjust the screen's brightness level, brightness compensation, and contrast. To go back to the previous menu, press the far left button. In the color settings, you can modify the color temperature, hue, and saturation. You can also individually adjust the brightness of red, green, and blue channels. In the volume settings, you can adjust the audio volume of the video. Use the plus and minus buttons for quick volume adjustments. The Scenes menu allows you to switch between different scenes. In the Media menu, you can choose to play media from either a USB drive or the processor's built-in storage. In the Settings menu, you can adjust the position of the OSD menu. You can set the OSD timeout duration. You can also change the language between Chinese and English. To exit the OSD menu, press the Return button on the remote control. Next, let's see how to play videos or images from a USB drive. Open the OSD menu and select Media, then choose USB. Let's take a video as an example. In the interface, you can scroll up and down to view all available videos, along with details such as their resolution. Select a video, for example, the first one, and press OK to start playback. During video playback, press the OK button to pause the video. Use the left and right arrow keys to fast forward or rewind the video. While the video is playing, press the Menu button to open the Media Playback menu. In the display settings, you can adjust brightness, brightness compensation, and contrast. In the color adjustment settings, you can modify the color temperature, hue, and saturation. You can adjust the brightness of individual red, green, and blue channels. You can also use the Reset All option to revert all changes. In the playback settings, you can choose a loop mode such as play in order or one loop. In the display mode, you can select stretch or fit. You can use the playlist to quickly switch between videos. In the File Information section, you can view detailed information about the currently playing video. That covers all the operations for the Bluetooth remote control. Thank you for watching.